Arm fat. Hi guys. So, in my last video, I asked you guys what I should do next, and someone said to do like a heel collection, which my shoe game is not at a point yet where I can do that, but I have bought a couple new pairs of shoes lately. But I thought I'd do an unboxing because I literally got off someone fucking rang the doorbell. I don't know why I guess it's nice that they ring the doorbell. No, that's considerate. But yeah, I was on the toilet, but then I heard the doorbell, and this came. So I thought I'd do an unboxing video. I'm so happy because I know what's in here. Okay. But you guys don't know what's in here. So, is it like focused? Today is a good day. I mean, I guess I don't really need the knife, but I just wanted to bring out the knife because look at him. He's so pretty. He's a little bent, but he's so pretty. Oh, and I got my nails done. Just documenting that. They're like marble-ish. And I'll put the shoes on for you guys. I guess I do need the knife. I love having my nails done, but like being a stripper and like actually like every time I go on stage I always do like tricks on the pole because like it's just I can't fucking help it. But since they're so long, like sometimes they get caught or like I'll break them. Like if you follow me on Instagram, like you'll just see all, well, like me whenever like I break a fucking nail, I'm just like, well, there's that. And I also post a lot about just like me just always fucking hurting myself at work because I always just fucking hurt myself. So I'll put these shoes on for you guys. I just got a new pedicure too. They're like Barbie pink. My only issue with them is that I keep going to this nail salon that's right by my house, and like I like the way that they do my nails, but I don't. It's the second time that I've been stuck with this little old lady that does my feet, and every time there's like a problem. Like I just got my toes done 2 days ago. I spent $30. Like, well, more than 30 because I tip her too, even though I'm not a big fan of her. Like, she's like hurting me doing my toes because she just couldn't figure, it was taking her forever to like, she was like scratching away at my nail bed with this like metal tool because she couldn't get the gel nail polish off from before. But I think she like missed a step because like my polish is already coming off of one of my toes. And it's like chipped at another toe. But I got it 3 days ago. But the time before, I had a different lady do my toes. That shit lasted for a month. Like, it's ridiculous. So I'm gonna go complain probably after this to them and see what I can get. Sexy red shoes. There's like literally like little pieces of feather going everywhere right now. Look at these. So I got these on Posh. They're pleasers. And let me look at the listing for it. And I'm excited to have me put these on. Brain work. So I got these for, well, $26 technically with shipping, but I sell stuff on Poshmark, so I have like credit, so I only spent like $5 on it. Really. Let's see. How many times were these worn? Gently used. Yeah. I was wondering how many times. It's not bad. I mean, I hate fucking spending money. They're like a size 6 because Pleaser doesn't make like half sizes, I guess. Yeah, I'm gonna need fucking straps for this. I have to go buy new straps too today because my other ones are look like they're about to like literally fucking snap. Alright. So I'll just set you down here. And a lot of you guys have been commenting, not a lot, but like a noticeable amount of people keep saying that I look like I'm 14 or I'm 12. Or like, aren't you like 12? Thank you. But no, I'm 22, y'all. Who is she? That's Gemma. Yeah. Cute. Let me see if I can point this down. Look at that. Gemma. Gemma. So I'm totally wearing these to work tonight. I mean, they're a bit smaller on the heel that I like, but I don't know. Those rhinestone ones, the little rhinestones are coming off so much because I wear them on stage, and I like to fuck it up on stage. These will do. I know, my legs are all fucked up from work. The joys of being a stripper. Well, so that was my unboxing video. Real quick. Bye. Hope you guys have a great day.